Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to adjust screen timeout on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, if you feel that your cell phone screen turns off very quickly when not in use for just a few seconds, don't need to be worried guys, because you can adjust the screen timeout on your cell phone so that your screen will last longer even though the cell phone is not used for a while. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial guys. Okay, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to settings menu on your cell phone like this. And then after that, now you can scroll down, and then now you can go to lock screen. And then here now you can adjust the sleep or screen timeout, and I will choose 10 minutes. So yeah, the screen will be more last longer for 10 minutes when not in use. Okay, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching.